If you have a green thumb, then the 6.7-foot by 7.8-foot Meridian Greenhouse is the perfect addition to your home. Its 6-foot-high side walls make it comfortable for standing and help ensure proper airflow. And they allow plenty of room for adding extra shelving. The 32-inch high cedar base walls are built with sturdy tongue-and-groove construction. They also enable you to store gardening tools away from view. And built into the base walls are a 16-inch lower shelf and an 8-inch upper shelf. The double-wall polycarbonate windows are strong and durable. Their double-wall construction gives them superior insulation and UV properties that help plants grow. A heat-sensitive automatic roof vent opener helps the greenhouse maintain optimum temperature and humidity levels. And a louvered base wall vent enables proper air intake. Built with premium cedar lumber, you can feel good knowing the quality of Meridian Greenhouse can withstand the outdoor elements. All cedar pieces come pre-stained with an attractive natural cedar stain. The cedar door features a latch enclosure with a quick hold feature that keeps the door open when desired. All sections are pre-cut and pre-drilled for easier assembly. The greenhouse comes with simple to follow illustrated instructions. And we've created a helpful hint video to make your installation process easier as well. Yardistry stands by the quality of its products, and this greenhouse comes with a 5-year limited warranty.